The Oppo A5 Pro is a smartphone that blends performance, durability, and modern features. Here are its key specifications display. 6.7-inch AMOLED touchscreen with a resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, offering sharp and vibrant visuals. 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and responsiveness. Processor, MediaTek Dimensity, 7300 chipset, built on a 4-nanometer process, ensuring efficient performance. Octa-core CPU comprising 4 times 2.5 GHz, Cortex-A78, and 4 times 2.0 GHz Cortex-A55 cores. ARM, Mali G615, MC2 GPU for competent graphics handling. Memory and storage options of 8 GB or 12 GB RAM, facilitating smooth multitasking. Internal storage choices of 256 GB or 512 GB, providing ample space for apps, photos, and videos. Supports micro SDXC cards for additional storage expansion. Camera's rear camera, dual setup featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor with an f1.8 aperture and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with an f2.4 aperture, enabling high-quality photograph. Front camera, 16-megapixel selfie camera with an f2.4 aperture, delivering clear and detailed self-portraits. Battery equipped with a 6,000 mAh battery, ensuring extended usage times. Supports 45-watt fast charging, capable of charging the battery to 50% in approximately 35 minutes.